Welcome back to yet another episode of the xploreUX Cast, where we help you make sense of your users or your customers. In this episode, we're diving into a topic that's transforming the way we design and interact with digital products. Imagine this. You're using your favorite app, and without realizing it, every tap, swipe, and click is teaching the app how to serve you better. This silent, invisible conversation between you and your app is part of what we call a user feedback loop. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, stay tuned because today we're going to uncover the secrets of user feedback loops and see how they are boosting usability understanding in ways you might never have imagined. So what exactly is a user feedback loop? At its core, it's a system where information from users is continuously collected, analyzed, and used to improve the product. It's like having a round-the-clock focus group that's constantly giving you insights into what works and what doesn't. But it's not just about gathering feedback, it's about how you use that feedback to create a more intuitive, user-friendly experience. To understand this better, let's break it down. Picture this scenario. You've just downloaded a new fitness app. On your first use, you find the setup a bit cumbersome, and navigating to your favorite workout routine takes longer than you'd like. You might think this minor inconvenience goes unnoticed, but in reality, every interaction you have with that app is being recorded. The app's designers use this data to pinpoint friction points. Over time, updates are rolled out to streamline the setup process, making it faster and more intuitive. This is a user feedback loop in action, but it doesn't stop there. The beauty of user feedback loops lies in their dynamic nature. They evolve. As users continue to engage, new patterns emerge, new problems are identified, and new solutions are implemented. This constant evolution is what keeps products relevant and user-centric. Let's take a step back and think about some of the most successful tech products today. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Apple have mastered the art of leveraging user feedback loops. Take Amazon, for example. Every purchase, search query, and product review contributes to a vast pool of data. This data helps refine product recommendations, streamline the purchasing process, and even influence inventory decisions. It's a sophisticated system that ensures each user's experience feels personalized and efficient. So how do these companies implement these feedback loops effectively? It starts with data collection, but not just any data, meaningful data. This means tracking not just what users do, but why they do it. Are users abandoning their shopping carts? Digging deeper might reveal that shipping costs are too high, or the checkout process is too complicated. By identifying these pain points, companies can make targeted improvements that directly enhance user satisfaction. Love xploreUXCast. Here's how you can make a difference. Be a UX champion. Chat with friends, family, and anyone who wants to learn about UX and usability testing. You can supercharge the show. Subscribe, rate, and review xploreUXCast on wherever you listen to podcasts. This helps others discover the good stuff and lets the platform know we're winning. Let's talk UX. Leave comments on the podcast or social media. Got a burning testing question or a topic you'd love to hear explored? Hit me up. And join the UX crew by signing up for our newsletter on LinkedIn and connect with fellow UX enthusiasts. See links in the description. Now you might be wondering, what role does AI play in all of this? Artificial intelligence and machine learning are game changers when it comes to analyzing user feedback. These technologies can sift through massive amounts of data at lightning speed, identifying trends and making predictions that would be impossible for humans to achieve alone. For instance, AI can help determine which features users find most valuable or predict potential issues before they become widespread problems. But it's not just about fixing problems. User feedback loops can also uncover opportunities for innovation. For example, Spotify uses feedback loops to enhance its music recommendation algorithms. By analyzing listening habits, skips, and searches, Spotify can suggest new artists and playlists that match your taste, sometimes even before you realize you're in the mood for a particular genre. This proactive approach not only keeps users engaged, but also fosters a deeper connection with the app. Curious about the latest UX trends? Sign up for our UX newsletter on LinkedIn. See the link in the description section of this episode. So, how can businesses and developers create effective user feedback loops? Here are a few key steps. 1. Collect comprehensive data. Don't just focus on the obvious metrics. Look at behavioral data, user feedback, and even social media comments to get a full picture of user experience. 2. Analyze and interpret. Use tools like AI and machine learning to identify patterns and insights. This helps in understanding not just what is happening, but why it is happening. 3. Implement and iterate. Make changes based on the feedback, but don't stop there. Continuously monitor the impact of these changes and be ready to iterate. User needs evolve, and your product should too. 4. Communicate with users. Let users know that their feedback is valued and show them how it has led to improvements. This not only builds trust, but also encourages more users to provide valuable feedback. Final thoughts. To end this episode, user feedback loops are more than just a buzzword. They are a vital component of modern digital product design. By effectively leveraging these loops, companies can create products that are not only more efficient and user-friendly, but also more innovative and responsive to the needs of their users. That's all for today's episode of xploreUXCast. I hope you've gained a deeper understanding of how user feedback loops work and their importance in enhancing usability. If you have any questions or feedback about today's topic, feel free to reach out to us on our social media channels or leave a comment below. And remember, your feedback helps us improve too. Once again, thanks for joining me on xploreUXCast. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the tech curve. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers and have a good one.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.